One of our favorite times of the year to hunt whitetail deer is during the rut. And over the years, when we've been hunting, we've seen some exciting displays of deer behavior during the rut. For this next hunt, Steve Nessl is in camp with us and heading out to a muddy box blind that overlooks a large area where the bucks have been chasing does. He's hoping to use the high vantage point the muddy setup gives him and Jeff so that they can see what unfolds in the area during the always unpredictable whitetail rut.
He's not the 10, but he's not a bad deer. This one's bigger. Scraping. He's making all kinds of noise. And all kinds of deer rut things. Just keep your eye on him. Tell me if he starts to come back out here to these other deer. Yeah.
When this mature 8-point disappeared behind the blind with does on his mind, Steve and Jeff weren't sure if they'd get another shot opportunity for the rest of the day. However, all it took was a little patience and a hot doe in the area before this buck reappeared right in front of them.
Get ready. He's going back over here. You got him? Yeah. Yeah. Okay. I'll shoot when he gets broadside. Not yet. Stop. Now. It's been a minute since I saw a deer go down after a shot. He's right there. He's right there. You sucker. Wow, deer in the rut. We just got a really, really nice deer on the ground in the rut in Texas. And he was just doing all kinds of ruddy deer things right before it too, including giving us a heart attack thinking he was leaving because of a doe. And he's over there, and we're gonna collect him, put him in a wolverine. Wow, that's good stuff. That's good stuff. That's a big, massive 8 mature deer. Am I right? And he's going. Yes. Thank you. Nice job, dude.
That's awesome, man. Oh, man.
Oh, he's got the size of a small horse. Oh, man, look at this dude. Oh, so cool.
We knew him and the 10 were in this spot. He is massive. Look how big his body is. probably the only mature, well, no, we've had a few small mature deer, but this is the only mature shooter buck we had on the hoof in front of us all week. So, what a crazy hunt. We've only been on the stand for an hour, and this guy comes up and gives us a shot, gives me a shot, and thankfully I did the right thing. Texas rut, never know where they're gonna be. You like to think you do until the rut starts, and then all goes out the window. Luckily for us, this guy blesses us with his presence.
Congratulations, Steve. We always love tagging along on your hunting adventures, and we know you and your family will enjoy this deer meat for a long time.